Alright, this is part 2 on that rear seat delete. I'm not sure. So I took out the seat bottoms and the backs, as I said earlier. Had the amp attached to the sub box. This is the painted black. This is just plywood here. This is just beginning stage, but I'll stick with the shag carpet on there for now because that's the only thing I had. I'll do something as some kind of another cover, something that blends in better. But of course that box won't slide on that carpet, and I don't want to put any screws or anything in it, but might put a little piece of trim along the front there, spray it black. I mean, the seats are going to be back in position all the time anyway, so. Yeah, so I'll put a cover or some kind of backing on here as where the seat back would be, but I wanted that depth. I don't have any jams on right now, but I'm about to go cruise. Put lights on. You can see, you know, I got room below here. I'm gonna put some kind of little cover plate, something on where those holes were. That's where you only hold it, mounts the seat bottoms. And there they got like a little hook on the seat, and then put that bolt in there. But anyway, this way I'm making use of that back seat instead of it sitting idle, and that way I can still store things underneath there. Got that new Bluetooth radio in there. Other than that, everything's stock. I don't need to do anything to the interior of this car. It's like damn near perfect. You're perfect. I'm just sitting there idling. That's a Flowmaster 80 series. Burnt blue exhaust tip. But anyway, thought I'd show what I did for the rear seat delete. Hope this helps anybody who's looking for any kind of idea to remove the back seat. Trans Am, Camaro, Mustang, anything where you got some room but the seats are not serving a purpose. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. See you guys soon. Another video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Peace.